Hey, VELCO Weather Hazards heads up number 2 for the storm system that's moving in for Sunday. A very strong pressure gradient tightening up, causing gradient winds. This is the departing weather system, and we can see this area of low pressure here. That's a typical Alberta Clipper system is going to spin up and intensify. We have a trough of low pressure, and as the system begins to wind up here, it does intensify pretty rapidly, even as it approaches the offshore area, and it continues to really spin up a very tight pressure gradient through here. This is valid Sunday morning at about 1 o'clock in the morning, and you can see very intense low pressure centered south of the Maine coast and the Gulf of Maine, east of Cape Cod, and it's going to be problematic due to blowing and drifting snow, near blizzard or blizzard conditions, and wind gusts that could be greater than 45 miles per hour for utilities as this storm departs on its backside. Here's a little more close-up view here. You can see the area of low pressure crossing through the Great Lakes, and these are sustained winds. And as the area of low pressure gets offshore, really kicks in and develops as it heads toward Nova Scotia. You can see the intensity here, very, very strong. So this is our greatest concern for utilities right here. Basically, we're starting out sometime in the early morning hours on Sunday. This will continue through the day on Sunday and then pull away. And wind gusts, and we're looking at these wind gusts here greater than 45 miles an hour. The lighter shades of green are usually critical, and we're talking in knots now, so this is above 40 miles per hour. Seeing some pretty strong gusty winds. Of course, much stronger near the coast where blizzard conditions were likely. And looking at the pressure gradient, and associated precipitation along the backside. So as this thing departs, very strong winds will finally come to an end. It looks like during Monday morning we'll have excessively cold wind chills at this point. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights Consulting.